Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you everyone? Hope you all are fine. And warm good morning to everyone. Really I miss you. I want to see your faces. See, I'm so helpless. Let's see, we will enjoy here. Okay? Welcome to my with which class is going on now? Oh, mashallah. You saw the picture, you understand? Yes, it's a maths class. Very good. I am clapping here for you. Very, very, very good. My sweet and intelligent students. Okay. We will start the class now. Last time I gave some work. Hope you completed. And please upload here. So I will give flower, excellent, thumb, star. Right? I want to know how much you understand and how much you will able to explain to me when we are meet each other, when inshallah our classes will running like previous. Okay, so today I am not giving any writing work. So happy? Wow, yay! But I am giving only reading because I gave up to 200 numbers, up to 200 number names. So you should know the place value. Where is the 100 place? Where is the tens place? Where is the ones place? So building numbers up to 200, it's your lesson name. Okay, now here Rahul work at the post office selling stamp. You don't know, maybe I know the stamps. Previous the pupils are sending the messages, so they are going to post office, so they will provide stamps, so we will paste on that envelope and writing the address, so that is the stamp. Instead of a stamp you will take any other things, but according to the book stamp is there. So left side small logo is there, one stamp is, and come down little bit, it's written this is a strip of 10 stamp. Here is count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, 10 stamps. Yes, stamps are there. So tens is equal to 110. Okay, 10 ones is equal to 110. And come to little one here, just move here. Then yes, this is a sheet of 100 stamp. There are 10 strip, means line. Okay, count here slowly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, how many 10? So 10 tens is equal to 100. See here 1 only, so it's coming ones. Here is 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is a strip of 10 stamp. 10 ones is equal to 1. 110 means any object you can take, like you take 10 toys, you can take 10 beads, any other, then make one group. Okay, it is called 110. If you are making one group, in one group 10 toys and another group 10 toys, it is called 2 tens. Like that increase. So here coming 100. Hundreds means 10 tens is equal to 100. So there is, this is how Raghu can't stamp more than 100. So here giving 100 plus 1, 100, and here again 1 here is there. So we are showing the arrow 100 and 1. Yeah, 1 not 1. So here is, see, 100 plus 100 place here short form 100, 1, and see here is coming 100 plus 1. So instead of here 0 we are putting 1. So what it's coming, 1 not 1. So same position we are writing, but we are starting here. O means ones, T means tens, H means 100. So here is the 101. Yeah, 1 not 1, like that. Here see, here only one stamp is there, students. See carefully, here is the 100 stamps, and here is the 2 lines, but in each line 10 stamp. Okay, and here check, 100 plus 20 equal to, here see, 100, here 20, remove and put here 20. So it become like this, 120. Now come again, same you will write and start from the giving the place name, place value name. Ones, O means ones, T means tens, and H means 100. So here 120 means, see here 100, how many steps are there, 100. Here 2 tens, here nothing. So here is 120. But come little bit down, see here 100 stamp, 100 stamp. So 100, and here count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we are writing, but here is the, in one strip 10 is there. So 110, 210, 310, 410. 410 is equal to 40. Plus here giving the ones. How many ones are there? Count. Yeah, count. I am able to listen to you. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we will writing here 1, but we are starting from the ones place. We will write ones place means 5 here. Then after we will not write 0 here, writing 4. Then we will come to 100. Then 100 means we are removing the zeros and we will put here 1. So what the we can see this ones, tens, and 100. So see, ones place same here, ones place 5 coming here, ones place 5. 10 plus 4, 40 place 4 steps are there, see 4, and 100 steps 1 means 145. So you will write here, we write 145. We say 145. Even it's written number names as well as numbers. I hope you understand the value, ones, place value, ones, tens, and 100. 0 is the 10 place, as there are no tens. Okay, here small comments is there, please read it also. 0 is in the ones place, as there is no ones. Okay dear students, I hope you understand the place value. Ones, tens, and 100. O is the short form of ones. T short form of tens or 10. Hundreds means more than 100. But here is only 100. So 100. H means 100. So we will come to the next slide. Please read and read and read and read. Try to understand your. Okay. Read numbers up to 200. This is our chapter name. Okay. Okay dear students. Which one you want to write as you like, but I am not pushing to you write because it's already in your, you have in your book. Okay. Whenever the school will open and whenever the material will come, you will get no problem. So like this here also, see, to read a 3 digits number, first read the 100 place and then read the last 2 digits together, means 180, 147 means we are reading from the 100 place but starting writing ones place. Okay, just keep in the mind, we are writing time, we are starting from the right hand ones place, and reading time we are reading from the left side. Like, see, if we want to write here 171, so ones place we will write 7, tens place we will write 4, and 100 place we will write 1. We are writing from the right side till left side when digit will finish. But when we will start to reading, we are starting from the 100 side, 147. Understand everyone? Very good. So you can read again, it's so easy. Okay, see here also 24 once it's given, so dash is equal to, please complete this, try to this is in the copy if you want, otherwise no pushing, but for if you're writing, this is good for you for the exercise. See, 24 once is equal to, what you will write here? Yes, you will write here 2, and here, but we will start from the ones place, so we will write the 4 here. So what is the left? Automatic it will come here 2. So 2 tens, 4 ones is equal to 24. Now again you will come to ones place. What the ones place? 5 here and 9 here. So 95 ones is equal to 9 tens and 5 ones. Like that, these two exercise also orally plus written work better you will do. Okay, dear student, see here 100, here 100 plus 1 2 3 4 5, this is the 10. So 100 5 tens, so 150. Okay, dear student, please, I already gave this one to you for completing the copy. So only this A, this 100, this 10 and ones. Again, see here only 100, here 110, here 4 ones, here 100, 1 2 3, 3 means 30, 130. See, we start from the, here nothing is there, so we will start from the ones, means 0. Then how many strips here? 3, then 100. Okay, see here last one, here 100 and here 100, so here called 200. So we will write the 0 because nothing is there ones place, tens place also, it is coming 100 plus, but 2 are there, so we will write 100 place 1 2, so 100 place we will write 2, and 10 place nothing is there, and ones place nothing is there, so we will put the 0. Okay, you have challenge, you will orally do this work, count it ones and tens, because one thing is missing here, so you can count it automatically coming the 3 digits numbers. What number is this? Okay, I will not say you, this is challenge for you. I hope you understand. Maths is so easy. You already completed 101 to 200, even up to 200 you already completed, but in the book it's there, so just I click the picture and sending. So here is the box is there, right? So complete the pattern of numbers. Here 1 not 10. See, these number are coming here. Okay, and this fill in the blanks, please. This fill in the blanks. This all complete in the copy better. See here the numbers, what after, what before it is coming, it is helping box. Okay, so you will complete this one also in the copy. Not now, no hurry, slow you will go. If possible you will write, otherwise if you have book, you complete in the book. If you don't have copy, if you don't have book, so please I am request to you for only your practice, you will do the work in the copy. If you don't want, you feel fed up for writing like this, take the print. And if you don't want take the print, no problem, you just read it, what it's come before and after. And parents, please help them. You will just if they don't want to write, no problem, just ask the oral. And really I am thankful to all parents, those are cooperating me. Or please other parents, please you also cooperate with me and complete your student child work, so it's easy for me when the school will open. Okay, so finally we come place value. See here again, it's give the place value of 4 in 84. In 84, 4, what the place value? Here write ones, here write tens, so 4 is the ones place. Understand everyone? Just see this one. Okay, and please read it nicely. Place value 3, this number has 1 digits. 26, this number has 2 digits. 185, this number has 3 digits. Okay, here is 300 and here is the 3 is the ones place. 3, 6 and 5 are all in the ones place. Yes, see 3, 6 and 5 are ones place, and 2 and 8 tens place. Only 1 is the 100 place. Like that here also, see 3, 6, 5 ones place. Here already color digit is there, it is showing ones place. Here the color digits, again color numbers here showing. Yes, mashallah, very good, I can hear you. Tens place. And here check which is highlight to you. Yes, 1. So what? Ones, tens, and what the place value of 100. Very good. So here see 87 means this is the ones place and this is the 100 place. I think you understand, and please cooperate with me, and thank you so much watching this video. And please whatever your work is completed, please upload. So I want to check every students are able to do this video and understand or not. Please parents and please students, cooperate with me. Alhamdulillah, your cooperation is so good. I am seeing, alhamdulillah, very good. And please cooperate like this. Thank you so much.